Hi everyone, my name's Sierra. This is my fiance Drew. That's Sophie, and we're the Bartons Begin. So, as I'm sure you can see from the title, Drew and I bought a fixer-upper. We plan on doing a lot of the work for this house ourselves and using it as an investment property in the future when we get it done, using it as a rental. Drew and I just started our business together, and we hope to buy more homes, apartments, duplexes, whatever, in the future and have a realty company. But for now, we're starting with this one house, this one fixer-upper. So we planned, and why I'm starting this YouTube channel, if you can't tell, this is my first video, probably gonna be a little cringy in the future to watch, but we're planning on filming the whole experience anyway to kind of keep family updated, friends updated that can't be around us all the time. We live in a very small town in southeast Kansas, about 1,800 people. So it's about 2 hours away from really anything. So I know that people won't be able to visit us and help us or get updates frequently. So we wanted to do as much filming as we could to keep people updated. So some specs on the house. It was built in 1926. It's an older home. It is about 1,300 square foot. It sits on about a 1/4 acre of land in town. It's a really narrow property, but long. Considered a 3-bed, 1-bath. It does have like a laundry room / pantry area and an attached 1-stall garage with kind of a storage unit or a storage area in the garage as well for lawnmowers and that sort of thing. Some of the major things that need done in the house: possibly a new roof. We've had it inspected recently, and we can probably get away with about 5 more years on the roof. So that might be something that we wait on since it's not an urgent need. But things that we for sure have to do: all new wiring, central heating and air. Right now, there's no central air, and there is a gas furnace, but we're wanting to get everything electric in the house. So we'll be getting rid of that furnace. Since we're doing all new wiring, we're tearing out all the walls. We don't plan on right now reconfiguring any of the rooms, but we're just gonna have to see. New floors, all that sort of stuff. We're pretty much starting fresh. We're keeping the bones, hopefully. The majority of it's just cosmetic, but we're gonna have to see once we need to get some more inspections done to see if anything else is needed. I figured this first video, I took a couple of videos walking through the house, do a little bit of a walkthrough, like I said, have a before and after. Alright, so this is what the house looks like from the street. Definitely needs a little bit of TLC to give it a little bit more curb appeal, that's for sure. As you walk through the front door, you go through this entryway and then into the living room. Just kind of scanning the living room. That's Drew. He couldn't wait to start working before I got the video done. But this is what the living room looks like. It's a nice open space that I think will give a lot of flexibility for a dining room, a living room, or just a big open area. Walking into the first bedroom. This bedroom would most likely be the master just because of the size of the closet. It has the largest closet. All 3 of the rooms are roughly about the same size, though. This one just has the biggest closet. Walking back out and into the second bedroom. I apologize for all the dust in the air. We are working with plaster in this house, so it is very dusty. This room again is about the same size. It has a small closet right now due to this furnace, but whenever we're switched to the electric furnace, we'll be moving that. So I think this bedroom will have a good sized closet as well. into the third bedroom. So this bedroom does not currently have a closet, but we plan on building one. And again, it will be a good size room. This is the kitchen. It's open, which is nice. It has this strange window. The garage was an add-on, so this used to be an outdoor window, but we plan on blocking that off to also give some more storage for over cabinet storage. And this is the bathroom. Obviously needs quite a bit of work done, but it is a good space to provide, I think, a decent sized bathroom. Has this interesting purple tub and purple sink as well that we do plan on getting rid of, but that was kind of interesting. We had never seen that before. As we move around, this corner goes into what we plan on using as a laundry room, mudroom, pantry area. And then that's the door to the outside or to the garage. And this is the garage, the one stall attached garage. It's a good size area. Obviously needs quite a bit of cleanup once we get all the stuff removed, but I think anyone would be happy to have even just one area of covered parking. Then you walk through this door, and this was the storage area I was talking about. For lawnmowers, all that sort of thing. But you can see how this was all an add-on. That was the exterior of the house. The steps that go up into what will be kind of a mudroom, pantry, laundry room. And then there's this little add-on room here in the back that just some extra square footage. That's nice. And then this is the property. We have all the way back to the tree line, long, thin property. Thank you guys all for watching. We're really excited. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And sounds crazy, but like and subscribe to keep up with our journey of flipping and remodeling our first investment property. Thanks, guys. Bye.